So good afternoon. So nandito na naman tayo sa shop ni Sir Gordon, Mighty Blue Hobby Shop. Ayan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ganyan mga aeroplano.
If you were to compare a submarine to
dito,
let's say this model particular of submarine to this ship, this is the correct size. No, in the same scale.
Shit.
136.
Ito meron.
80mm F-16. So guys, Futura.
Yes. Right.
Oh, yun, nakita niyo ba? Ganda. Oh, dito tayo sa bilihan ng mga RC plane, mga RC car. Yan.
You like American ships? Pabili ako
Ganda.
Mga American ships.
So yan. Ikot-ikot lang muna tayo dito. Pakita natin yung mga stock ni Sir Gordon.
Usually when they start, sometimes they start on how it looks.
Kaya niyo ba? So Mighty Blue Hobby Shop yung kanilang page. Message nyo lang kung gusto nyong order. So lahat ng klase ng mga RC meron sila dito.
Or sometimes they
Ayan.
watch a
Okay.
then they see.
Thank you guys.
Plane may be attacked. So that was how many years ago?
Yung mga budget meal na RC car.
May kabli na siya. Yung may kabli na.
So, mga remote controller.
You can build a tree. You know, I started building when I was 10.
Oh, ano may
Okay. Oh, X-Fly Raptor F22. Ganda niyan.
Spaceships.
So, yung Tamiya.
That one Tamiya doesn't have. That one is, you have to look for different, maybe Rebel or Academy.
Ito.
Different. Has he built any Tamiya?
Wow, slow, ultra stick. Ganda.
You're also talking about the quality of the kit, so I assume you help him. Okay. When you do a Tamiya,
Okay. Meron din siyang display ng motor. Ito, mga crawler guys.
Night and day difference compared to Rebel or let's say
Ganda.
Oo. Ano yan? Sa remote din siya gumagana.
Ni owner, Sir
Pag
Gordon.
move, yan, katulad dito. Pero yun talaga wala.
So yun. Yung gano'ng karami.
Antonov is a Russian
Ito yung mga malalaking plane, mga EDF.
don't have much cargo or passenger planes. It's mostly warbirds.
Okay. Ito pang rally.
Either way, tanks or planes. If you can pick one, tank or plane.
Ganda.
May nasa.
Mga nakasabit.
Ayan, makalongir na.
Yun na ata yung akin.
Pero, walang
Does it interest you? It's an American tank.
Ganda.
I notice your ships are American. That's German.
Ito. OMP Hobby guys. Mga 3D plane.
No, buy them delivery.
Yan na yun, sir.
That
Hindi.
should be it.
Huh?
Wait, I haven't seen it, but that should be it.
Ayan na.
Yeah.
Okay.
64mm T70.
Okay. Okay.
I recommend this one's pretty good. This is actually one of the better selling kits. The Water Bulldog. But again, 20 years ago it was cheaper. So the price has gone up over the years.
May kasama na bang remote to?
Battery charger na lang din, sir.
Magkano? Naka-sale ba siya? Ay, hindi.
Ito yung price niya, sir, sa harap.
Saan?
89.50.
Ito guys. Ganda, may kasama na laro remote. 4-wheel drive na.
4-wheel yan po, diba? Good afternoon, Mighty Blue po.
Also, there's one up here. It's a bit heavy to carry, but yeah, you can check it out. So,
598
usually for dioramas, you know, they'll have tanks.
try nyo na pong katukin or...
Okay. So, yan. Wow. Galing. Slow stick.
So, for example, you guys hire a pusher on the ground.
Ikot-ikot tayo dito sa Mighty Blue Hobby Shop. Okay, guys.
Can you see this one over here?
Located at Pasig. Yan.
Can you see it? Even inside.
Ay, mga tank. Meron din siya dito. So, dami. Sawa kayo. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.